Yeah. In episode 1, we had a malfunction while towing. I had a rough ride on flat. So I got it whipped my quarter pound a little bit, but we went and got another rim, another tire, and now we switching tires. Got the big truck out. I'm gonna switch tires. I wanted to film this to show that it's not super hard if you got the right stuff. Let me see something. Bang. And so what I saw was this. Check this out. New technology. Remember the old 4-way days? Them days is gone if you got the power. Tire up. There. There. Oh, shit. I think we just caused the power. Too much power. That's that one. So the scenario is, did I just, or did I not just strip out that thread? Because if I just did, well, we went to tow it with that tire and see. Let me get this, damn it. Oh, I see what just happened. I used the wrong damn socket. Let me put this back on. I didn't switch sockets because this is the one I'm supposed to be using. Hold on, we'll come back to that in a second. Bam, out of there. Yeah, we need to get this may pop off. I use the term may pop because it may pop at any time. You feel me? So, bam, put that up on there. One, two, three. Let me see. Okay, there. So you put it on forward. For the other one that's stuck on the socket, let's see if we can finagle this back on here. Put it on here. Do one of these moves. I might have cross-threaded that, but we need to get the socket back. Let me see something. There. Okay, so that one's messed up. We'll cover that in a minute. Over here, we needed that for that. Just that easy. We'll get that. Let me rescue that socket now. I'm thinking about it. Use the correct socket. Get that one back. That's something we can solve later on. Yeah. So that one's a lost cause. But that's about it. We're gonna see if we can get him started and get him up on the truck. This new car, old car stuff, restoring, ain't no joke. I've been working a few days on this front half, trying to get it spick and span for cleaning. And the more grease and oil and dirt we find, the more times I have to come back over and over and again. This is some stuff that's impacted since 1964, it looked like. Woo-wee! But yeah, the fender wells, they back straight. But one of them is so-so. SOS this last night. That needs to be changed, most definitely. Yeah, but we gotta keep on going. Keep at it. Don't stop. Okay, I am working on getting all the metal together for the 64 Impala. We got the trunk pan, as we see. We got the seals for the here, because you see this is all gone.
Trunk rims.
Trunk rims here, trunk rim there, right here. I have this piece already also. I am getting new corners for this side. You see the metal gone. I'm gonna get new one for this side too. And I'm also purchasing the rear trunk panel lid so we can get the metal for this. Coming soon is the floor pan and the underneath the seat pan. Okay, I got the corners for both sides. I got the lower piece to this also. I have the trunk pan. I have the drip rails also, all the way around. I have the lower pans for the hold on. Lower parts for the right-hand side of the body. Underneath the back seat, the whole trunk pan, the rear panel for that. So I've got all the metal now. Let me know what's up. Bolted in on the top. Like so. These snap in here. Oh, bolted in here. Okay, yeah, I got it. See that front? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Skirt action. Yeah. Airbag.
Thank you. I will be able to see it because of the